Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today we are doing an unboxing of brand new makeup I have placed in order to e.l.f, to Ulta, and just some other makeup that I have from PR. I figured I would just unbox everything with y'all so you can see all the makeup that I have, and then maybe in the next video we can put it all to the test. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited for these new launches because y'all, some of this drugstore makeup is insane. So let's go ahead and get into it. You already know, grab your cafecito. I have my water here. I'm trying to be good with not drinking so much caffeine. So mama's gonna drink some water today. Cheers to you, and let's jump right in and unbox everything. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna show you guys some products that I have kind of already used and that have been opened because I am very impatient. First of all, this LYS bronzer stick that has been sold out, that has been out of stock for, honestly, it feels like probably close to a year now, finally came back. I picked up the shade Harmony. This bronzer stick is everything, okay? I have been wanting this for so long and it just kept being sold out, or maybe I wasn't paying attention. I don't know, but the fact is that I finally got it. This is my perfect shade and it is the color that I'm wearing, the bronzer stick that I'm wearing on my skin today. And it's just so creamy. It glides on, it blends easily, it's pigmented, it's rich, it's giving, okay? If you have been wanting this LYS stick, go ahead and try it, because I have absolutely no regrets of purchasing yet another contour stick, so no shame in that. And then for eyeshadow palettes, I recently picked up the new Morphe Artistry palette. This one, it is so beautiful. The nudes, the golds, the deep browns. Mind you, I'm pretty sure I have these tones in other palettes, but I don't have it in one single palette, okay? This shade in specific is what I wanted because it has a beautiful, rich, like metallic foil finish. And it's actually what I'm wearing on my eyes today. I did a really simple glam, just added some of this, and then this one as my eyeliner, and I love it. It's a very simple, like golden bronze glam, but simple. So love, love, love this already. And then from Metamorphosis BF, she came out with new bronzer sticks, and as you can tell, I have already tried it. This brush, y'all, I think it reminds me of like a high-end brush, but I can't think of which one. So if you guys know, let me know. But she sent over MB13, MB15, and MB14. So I'm gonna swatch them for you guys. That is MB13. As you can see, it's a little cool tone, a little like neutral, I should say. MB14 is going to be slightly deeper with those cool undertones, so a little neutral and then a little cool. And then the last one is MB15, which looks like this. This one is going to be your more typical bronzing shade, which is what I personally like. As you can see, they're very creamy, they're very pigmented, they glide really nice. So we will have to try these as well in the upcoming video. So yeah, just so y'all know that she has new bronzing sticks, and you will be supporting a small Latina owned business, so that's a plus. I'm gonna grab my little makeup wipes to remove all the swatches we will be swatching today. Here we have package number 2. I believe this is, oh, this is from YSL. So there we have it. It's a little card that we get when we receive packages from YSL. I love getting packages from them. Like, I literally feel so spoiled every time I get anything. I mean, it's YSL, hello. It's bougie. Ooh, so this is their new All Hours Hyper Bronzer. They did mention that they were sending this out in PR. I'm so excited. Okay, let's see what this is all about. Oh my gosh. Look at this packaging, you guys. Shut the front door. Oh my gosh, that is so delicious. Let's do a little swatch. Okay, it might be like a lighter bronzer. I don't know if you guys can see that swatch right there. It's pretty light on my skin tone right now, But that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's move on. Oh, that is so exciting. I'm gonna open this package with you guys, even though it's not PR. I ordered this for my husband for Father's Day, and he won't see this because he doesn't watch my videos. He's like, I'm not interested in watching makeup videos. I'm sure he has enough of my attitude all day. So for his birthday, actually no, I just randomly bought him a hat from Dad Gang, and he actually really liked it. Like, my husband's kind of picky when it comes to stuff, which is why I have a hard time like getting him things. But I got him one that's like white with black, and he really liked it. And he mentioned that he wanted a blue one, and I was going to get him the one that had the white with the blue. That one's really nice, but he already has the white with the black, so I figured I would switch it up and get him a black one since he wears a lot of darker colors, and he is going to, like, I just know he's going to love it. So I'm going to put this back in its packaging because this is going to be for him for Father's Day. And before I put it back, I just wanted to show you guys. So it says Dad Gang. It's a trucker style of hat, and then it says one main goal on the back, and then here it says, if you know, you know. And honestly, these hats look so good on him. Like, I love him wearing hats. He's just like, he's daddy with hats on. I'm sorry, he's my husband, so obviously I love him in hats. This package is from e.l.f. This is something that I ordered, and I'm sure you guys can tell what I ordered. Are you guys ready? So I went to their what's new section and I ordered a few things. So the first thing that I got is their new brow laminating gel, which is this one right here. And I am so excited to try this because I'm currently using the Ardell brow glue and I love it, but I want to try something new. So I ordered that. I also ordered the Stay Cool primer stick. This is supposed to hydrate and soothe. So we're gonna see how that works. And then I also got the new Lock It Down eyeshadow primer. So got this one. And then of course I had to get 2 shades of their new Soft Glam Satin Foundation. I have been seeing these pretty much everywhere. Of course, anything e.l.f. does, it goes viral. So I'm going to try these out for you guys. Being an oily skin girly, we'll see how these work. I picked up the shade 31 medium neutral and 32 medium neutral. So I got those. Let's open this one because I have no idea where or who is this package from. Okay, so this package is from Locked In. I started receiving PR from them maybe about a month ago, and oh my gosh, I've been obsessed with their products, y'all. Okay, I'm currently using their body oil gel as a shaving. Oh, life-changing. It makes my skin so smooth. So this is the PR that we received. This is, oh, this is so cute. So they sent over like a little almond cracker thing. This is what I was talking about. I am so glad that they sent over a backup because I know I'm going to use my other one. So again, this is the shower oil and it is so nice. Like, you can either use it to just obviously like wash your body, but I just use it because it's so thick and like creamy. I use it as like a little shaving thing and it's amazing. I am never looking back or changing it, so I'm glad I have a backup. I have one huge box from Profusion, which I'm so excited. I haven't seen or received any PR from Profusion in over like 4 years. It's been a long time, and when they reached out I was like, yeah, I love your guys' stuff. So I'm excited to see what they sent over, but for now we're gonna open my Ulta box. So this is something that I personally ordered, that I placed an order to Ulta, and I didn't get that many stuff. I just mainly ordered like new product that I saw. I got the new Morphe Cloud Cushion mini little puff thing because they have new blushes, and of course I had to get one. So this is the Morphe Euphoric Rush blush, and it just looks so nice. I'm not gonna swatch it because I don't want to lose the perfection of the swirl until I film a video for you guys. But this is in the shade Addicted. Of course, I really wanted to get a different shade, but if I love them enough, then I might go back and pick up a different shade. This is so pretty. Look at that. It is so eye-catching. Honestly, I haven't been this excited for a Morphe product in a very, very long time. So I got those two. I also got the new Morphe To The Point Dual-Sided Power Puff, which is this one right here. I really, really like the shape of it. There we go. I really like the shape of it, so we're gonna try that. I got the bronzing drops and the glow drops from Makeup Revolution. I've also been seeing these a lot on my For You page on TikTok. And this one contains squalane, hyaluronic, and grapeseed oil. So I'm excited to try those. As you can see, I'm really into like bronzing products right now. From L'Oreal, I also ordered the new brow lamination. So that looks like this. And again, I'm excited because I have been wanting to try something else besides my Ardell brow glue. I also ordered a new shade from the L'Oreal. What are these called? The Infallible liquid lipsticks. This is called Breakfast in Bed. It's like a pinky nude. I also ordered the coral blush from the new L'Oreal Lumi blushes. This one is in the shade Dewy Rich Coral. I mean, I think I have a pattern for coral blushes. CoverGirl gave us a sticky grip primer, so this one shall be interesting because it's CoverGirl and it's affordable, and we haven't seen that many new launches from them. And then also from L'Oreal, I ordered their new highlighter in the shade Champagne Glow. I just know this is gonna be bomb.com. Then the last thing that I ordered were new lashes. Oh my gosh, these look so beautiful and like right up my alley. These are the Lash Couture Masterpiece Cruise lashes. Tell me these are not my style of lashes. They are so beautiful. Okay, so let me open this last package. I'm gonna show you guys how big it is. Look at this thing. It is bigger than my head. Okay, let's go ahead and open her up and let's see what they sent over. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. They sent over the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles collection. How exciting. So here we have our little pamphlet, and on the back it tells you pretty much all the products in the collection. It comes with stickers. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. This is to die for. Look at this mirror. This is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I already love that. Then it comes with this. The packaging is so cute. So these are illuminating glitter jellies. It comes with a green one, a like peach one, a purple one. And then I can't see the bottom one, but yeah, that's what it comes with. On the bottom side, it comes with some lashes and a clear liner. And these lashes, I don't know if you can tell, but they are they have some color to them on the ends. Oh, ooh, Profusion, you did that, girl. Okay, this is the packaging. This is the palette. Look at this. I am shook. What? What in the actual heck? Like, this is drugstore makeup, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Look at that. Oh, these colors. No, I cannot believe this. Y'all, look at this. And this is not even doing it justice. Like, in person, these three are bright, like neon bright. Okay, let's do a quick little swat. No, I am just in utter disbelief. Profusion? Ah, I'm so excited. Literally, shut the front door. Best collection, hands down. Hands down. I am so beyond excited to play with all this makeup. Yay! Okay, that is it, you guys. That is the end of today's unboxing of new makeup that I bought, and makeup from PR. What do you guys think? What are you excited about? Let me know in the comment section down below if you want to do like, if you want, well, if you want me to do a full video trying out all these products, or just trying out some and then doing a specific review for Profusion. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Other than that, I love you guys. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.